have some. So this is my sorrel drink. This is one of the traditional, what should I say now? This is a traditional drink that we prepare every Christmas. So you would boil your water, place your sorrel in with ginger, and if you want some alcohol, you put some red wine and some rum in it. If not, you just sweeten it with sugar, and we'll use the dark sugar. So this is my sorrel drink being prepared. I'm gonna cover it now and leave it for later. When I'm sweetening it, then I'm not gonna put any alcohol to it. I'm just gonna do it non-alcoholic. If persons want alcohol, then they can put it in. So this is the sorrel drink. I brought this one from Jamaica. So this sorrel comes from Jamaica. It was pre-packed. Normally we will get it fresh in Jamaica, and you'll buy it at the market. You wash it. I'll see if I get a picture and insert and show you exactly how it is in Jamaica. But this one is packaged. Is something I bought in the supermarket. I am really not accustomed to these, but you have to use what you have. So this is it. I put some ginger in, and I'm gonna cover it, leave it, let it cool, and you put it in glass bottle and not plastic. But if you don't have it, you put it in the plastic. But what my mother grow us up on is put it in glass bottle. Hers is always strong with ginger. I don't make it that way. So this is the package, the package that it comes in. And I have used more than half. I want to use the rest to make some sorrel cake and see what it is. I've never done that, so I'm going to do some sorrel fruit cake. I'm going to try it later. Now this is the sorrel I was telling you about. I just added the sugar. Nothing more but the sugar. So all I do my sorrel with is ginger and the plain sugar. A little rum could go in it, so I'm not putting any rum in it. Whoever want that, they can use it. So I'm going to transfer it now to a bottle. And I'll show you. This is it. My sorrel. So the sorrel that you saw I had in the pot, it gave me about a gallon. This is a 2-gallon container and it's half. I use about a pound or a little bit less than a pound to sweeten a gallon of sorrel. So there you have it, my sorrel drink. I should pour a glass. Have some.